Key elements of hurricane preparedness in Florida. Preparing for hurricanes in Florida is vital. A comprehensive review should include risk assessment, evaluate hurricane impact and identify home vulnerabilities. Emergency kit, stock essential supplies, tools, and important documents. Evacuation plan, develop routes, plan for special needs, and conduct drills. Home fortification, protect windows and doors, and secure loose items. Communication strategy, create a plan, keep contacts, and stay informed. Insurance review, understand your coverage and document possessions. Community involvement, participate in local programs and drills. Addressing these key elements will enhance your preparedness and ensure the safety of your family and home during Florida's hurricane season. Taking these proactive steps now can make all the difference when the next storm approaches.